lettuce picking day at the farm. Excellent.
Farmer Tom said we can take one home with us too.
Marvellous. I love a good lettuce.
What is it, boy?
Oh, dear. The lettuces. What on earth has happened?
Oh!
Noddy, Big Ears, I'm so glad you're here.
What's happened?
I don't know. When I woke up this morning, the animals had all escaped from their huts. It looks like they were out all night. And now my farm cat is missing.
Oh! Didn't you hear anything?
Not a thing. I sleep like a log. My poor animals. Something must have upset them, but I don't know what. And what if it upsets them again tonight?
Don't worry, I can help. I'll find out what the problem is so that your animals won't get upset again tonight.
Oh, Noddy. Oh, thank you.
Whoa! I need to investigate. What upset the farm animals last night? Time to open a new case. Investigate. Who? What? When? Where? Why? How? Let's investigate now. Let's call this the case of the upset animals.
What's your first move, Noddy?
I'm going to look for clues around the farm. Maybe I can find out what upset them.
Good idea. And I'll help you tidy up.
Thanks, Big Ears. All we've got to do is round up the animals, find my cat, move the lettuces, replant the carrots and pumpkins, fix the...
Oh, well, right. Not a moment to lose. Good luck, Noddy.
Thanks. I can't find anything that might have upset everyone. Did anything strange happen last night?
Nothing. I put some lovely new stickers on the animal huts, gave everyone supper, and then all the animals went to bed.
Leaping lettuces.
Come back, cow. Time for you to go home.
Thanks, Noddy. Come on, cow. Good luck with the investigation.
Thanks. What is it, boy? This looks like confetti. And there's some more over there. I think it's a clue. Maybe confetti floating in the sky upset the animals last night. Let's follow it. It's taking us to the Dino Lab. Smartysaurus? Hello? Oh!
Stop it! Oh, give me that. Oh, Noddy, thank you. Kitty Cat slept here last night. He's so cute when he's asleep, but he's a bit jumpy when he's awake.
Oh! Why did he sleep here?
I nearly bumped into him in my dino egg last night. Poor Kitty Cat was running away from the farm. He was so upset, so I brought him home.
The cat was upset. So were the other farm animals.
Poor things. Oh, Kitty Cat, stop it!
I think this confetti had something to do with it.
I don't think so, Noddy. Kitty Cat loves confetti. He played with the bag all the way home.
So that's where the confetti trail came from. He must have dropped some along the way.
Yes, but I can't let him play with all of it. I need some to test my new confetti shooter. Look, I fill the tube with confetti, then push the bottom and... ta-da! It shoots confetti into the air.
Ow. Ow.
Yes, Bumpy. The cat really loves confetti. So that can't be what upset him or the other animals last night. Come on. I'll take you back to the farm when I finish my investigation.
Goodbye, Kitty. Come back any time.
Who's making that noise? Maybe that's what scared the animals last night. Let's go. Behave, you two, okay? Pat, pat! Pat, pat!
Pat the dance!
Pat, pat!
Noddy! Hiya, Noddy! Why are you shouting? Want to dance?
I'd love to, but I'm on an investigation.
Whee!
Were you dancing yesterday?
Yes! We were teaching the naughty corns our new powder dance. Like it?
Yes, it's really loud.
I know! Isn't it super? Fuse added a new sound boost on my paw. It's for parties.
Were you dancing until really late? The farm animals couldn't sleep last night. I think maybe your music kept them awake.
Oh, dear. No, it wasn't us. The naughty corns got tired. I don't know why. So we all went to bed early. Whee!
If it wasn't the party music, what was it?
I don't know.
Huh? Look, this paper's got flowers cut out of it. I'm sure we've seen flowers like this somewhere else today, Bumpy. Yes, these are just like the ones at the farm. Pat, did you make these?
Oh, yes, I did. Fuse gave me special sticky paper. They're really good, aren't they?
Yes, and did you give them to Farmer Tom?
I thought they'd look super specially lovely on the farm.
When did you give them to him?
Yesterday. Why?
Because yesterday is when the animals started to get upset. I wonder if the stickers had anything to do with it.
Stickers? How?
I don't know. Was there anything special about the paper?
No, I don't think so. You can keep it. Maybe it'll help your investigation.
I can't see anything special either. I'm going to talk to Fuse. Maybe he can help. Come on, Bumpy.
You are now entering Rickabit.
Negative, Noddy. My special sticky paper would not have upset the farm animals. Oh, no. Please do not touch my tools, Kitty Cat. You see, there is nothing wrong with my sticky paper. It is... Please stop, Kitty. Error. Error.
It's okay, Fuse. See?
Thank you, Noddy.
If the stickers didn't upset the animals, then what did? This investigation's so hard. Oh dear, it's getting dark. Unless I solve it soon, the poor animals are going to get upset again.
Worried face. What can we do?
Biggies always says, a good investigator looks and looks again. I'm going back to the farm to look for more clues. Bye, Fuse.
Bye.
You are now exiting Rickabit.
What's wrong, you two? Huh? Wow! The stick is glow in the dark, and Bumpy and Kitty are upset. That's what's upset all the animals. Come on, Revs, we need to get to the farm. Sorry!
Oh, that's better. Thanks for your help, Big Ears.
My pleasure. Oh,
Oh, Kitty Cat. Oh, I'm so happy to see you. Noddy, what are you doing to my lovely decorations?
Sorry, Farmer Tom. We've got to take these off before it gets dark.
But we've just tidied everything.
I know, but it's for a good reason. I promise.
don't understand.
Look. Fuse's sticky paper is glow-in-the-dark paper. It's okay. Look, it's gone.
Oh, no wonder my animals were so upset last night. Thanks, Noddy.
Well done, Noddy. You solved the investigation. The animals will sleep much better tonight.
Thanks. At first, I thought the confetti had scared the animals. It was only when Pat-Pat's sticker started glowing in the dark that I worked out it was stopping the animals getting to sleep. The case of the upset animals is closed. So, there's just one thing to do. We've solved all the clues. Case closed! Here, Bumpy, fetch. Sorry, Pockets. I need to take this flower to Big Ears.
Oh.
Maybe you can find someone else to play with.
Yay!
Not you, Bumpy. Come here, boy.
Bye, Noddy. Bye, Bumpy.
Thank you for my splendid flowers, Noddy.
I knew you'd like it. See you later. Oh. Huh? It's the farm animals. What are they doing in Toy Green?
Oh, dear. Help!
This way. Back to the farm. Hey! No. This way. Here. No.
Oh, it's no good. We can't round them up on our own. Oh. Where's Farmer Tom?
I don't know.
Oh! Phew. Oh. And who let all his animals out?
Don't worry. I'm going to find out. I need to investigate. Who let the animals out? Time to open a new case. Investigate. Who? What? When? Where? Why? How? Let's investigate now. Let's call this the case of the runaway animals. Huh? Big Ears, can you stay here and make sure the animals don't escape?
I'll try.
I'm going to go to the farm and try and find out what's happened.
Okay. Oh. And if you see Farmer Tom, please tell him to come to Toy Green. Oh. Quickly.
Bye, Big Ears. Hi, Smartysaurus. Sorry, can't stop.
Hello, Noddy.
Here we are. Here, Bumpy, look. The gate's wide open. That must be how the animals escaped. It doesn't look like the latch is broken, so someone must have opened the gate. But who and why? Maybe Farmer Tom left it open by mistake. Let's see if he's in. There's no answer. Clever boy. It's and someone's knocked it over. Oh, footprints. I wonder who made these. Was it Farmer Tom or one of his animals? Or was it Smartysaurus? Yes, so Smartysaurus was here. Maybe she let the animals out. Come on, let's go back and find her.
Oh, no.
Hi, Smartysaurus.
Hello, Noddy. I'm working out how daisies are made. They're so interesting.
Wow, that's great. Smartysaurus, have you been at the farm today?
Yes, you are clever. Huh? How did you know?
You left your footprints behind.
Oh, yes. I was so busy looking for flowers, I knocked over a whole tin of paint. But Farmer Tom said not to worry.
Farmer Tom was there.
Yes, and Tractor, and all the animals.
And were they all there when you left?
Oh, yes.
And you didn't open the gate?
No, why?
I'm on an investigation. Someone let the animals out, and I'm trying to find out who it was.
Well, maybe it was Farmer Tom.
But where is he now? Let's think. Was he painting the fence when you knocked over the paint?
Yes.
So maybe he went to get more fence paint.
Wow! Good thinking, Noddy.
And where would he go to get more paint?
Oh, I know! Brick-a-build!
Of course! Thanks, Smartysaurus. Come on, Bumpy, let's go.
Oh, he forgot his flowers.
All right. You all right?
Yeah, all right.
You all right? All right, all right.
All right.
Farmer Tom, there you are.
Hello, Noddy. What's up?
Your animals have run away.
Run away? But how?
Someone opened the gate. Was it you?
No, it wasn't me or Tractor. We checked the gate was closed when we left, didn't we? Where are my animals now?
Toy Green, at least I hope they are. Big Ears needs your help. Come on, we need to hurry.
Oh, dear.
Big Ears.
Oh, Noddy, there you are.
Come on, let's round up the animals. Hey! Come back!
Ah! Oh, dear.
Hey, Noddy! There you are! You forgot your beautiful bunch of flowers.
Oh, thanks, Smartysaurus. Wait, I have an idea. Come on, everyone.
Phew. Well done, Noddy.
Thanks, Big Ears. But I still haven't solved my investigation. I need to find out who opened the gate, or it could happen again.
Hiya, Noddy!
Hello, Pat Pat.
Have you seen the pockets? I found their bouncy ball near the farm, but I don't know where they are. Here, Bumpy, fetch!
Look, the animals are fetching the ball.
I've never seen them do that before.
They must have been playing fetch with the pockets. Wait, that's it. We need to find the pockets. So where did you find the ball?
Just there.
Let's check around the farm. Oh, listen. Hey! Hello, Pockets.
Playing chase! Fetch!
Pockets, when you came to the farm, did you open the gate?
Yes?
And leave it open?
Oops!
When you were chasing the goose, all the other animals ran away.
Oh, sorry!
It's okay. We rounded them up. Look, here they are now.
Yay! Sorry! Now remember, you can come and play when you like, just as long as you ask me first. And always close the gate. Yay! Yay!
Well done, Noddy. You solved the investigation.
Thanks. When I saw the animals fetching the ball, I knew they must have been playing with the pockets. It was them who opened the gates and let out the animals. The case of the runaway animals is closed. So, there's just one thing to do. We've solved all the clues.